Birdsong once shaped the world's dawn, but silence now reigns. The age of birds has abruptly ended, leaving questions swirling. The forest's melody is replaced by an uneasy hush and anticipation. Without birds, each shadow holds both fear and newfound opportunity. With predators uncaged, evolution hurries to fill the empty sky. Our biologist watches as strange shadows flicker overhead, hungry and new. Across continents, creatures adapt with astonishing speed, wings reimagined for conquest. New predators emerge, each more daring than the last. In swamps and savannas, stealthy flyers rule the twilight. Evolution, like a river, carves out new destinies from vanished birds. Even cities transform, their skylines haunted by winged hunters unseen before. The biologist traces clawed tracks over shattered rooftops at dawn. Some new predators mimic birds' grace, yet move with alien intent. Each beat of their wings is a reminder of change's ruthless rhythm. The biologist records clues: molted feathers replaced by metallic scales, nests woven from wire. Every sample hints at a world remade in absence. As creatures compete for dominance, balance tips in unexpected ways. Our biologist's journey is both a warning and a lesson from nature's forge. Through her eyes, we witness the world's rebirth after birds. Tomorrow's skies belong to the strange, the adapted, and the endlessly resilient.